No, this is that John David Souther um, vinyl LP that you were looking for. This is the case. A little bit of wear right here. Got a mark right there. Says Angel Records. Split right there. And it looks like it's in fairly good shape. There's a little dust on it. Can you? Yeah, both sides. It looks pretty much unplayed. It says STAS 722586A and AT/RP. Okay, and that's it there. So, if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.